Have you ever wondered who studies the oceans, heals animals, explores fossils, or unlocks a secret hidden inside a single cell? Biology is not just one subject, it is a universe of amazing professions, from botanists and zoologists to neuroscientists and epidemiologists. Every scientist tells a different story of life. The tiger roars, the eagle cries, while creatures speak through glowing eyes. The animals sing in jungle mist, for I am a zoologist. In forests deep and gardens bright, we study leaves in morning light, the ancient trees and mosses mists, for I am a botanist. Tiny microbes dance unseen through hidden worlds so small and keen. Invisible life seen through the microscope exists, for I am a microbiologist. The oceans hum and sing a song, here whales and corals drift along. The restless tide in mystery twist, for I am a marine biologist. The genes themselves decode to write a coded story day and night. Inheritance through spirals and twists, for I am a geneticist. The rivers bleed, protect our flow. The forests breathe, the cool wind blow. The earth herself through nature insists, for I am an ecologist. The enzymes hurry cell to cell like busy workers serving well. Molecules speak where life exists, for I am a biochemist. Antibodies raise their massive shields across the body's battlefield. Protection stands where defense exists, for I am an immunologist. The medicines stand brave and bright, fighting sickness day and night. Hope walks there where healing exists, for I am a pharmacologist. The fossils murmur from the stone of ancient worlds once well known. Strange creatures call through dusty mists, for I am a paleontologist. The damaged cell begin to tell the hidden stories they know well. How disease reveals truth exists, for I am a pathologist. Mushrooms rise big and small, the forest floor invites them all. Fungi whisper where moisture and darkness exist, for I am a mycologist. The sparrow gossip in the trees, the falcons glide among the breeze. The open sky for feathers exist, for I am an ornithologist. Butterflies paint through the air, the crickets making sound with care. class insectia in wonder persist, for I am an entomologist. Nucleus guards secrets deep. The mitochondria never sleep. Many wonders in a living cell exist, for I am a cytologist. Carrots rich in vitamin A and fish in omega 3. Eat healthy food to become strong and free. Charge your health through food persist, for I am a nutritionist. The crops rejoice in fields so wide. Medicines bloom with healing pride. Innovation through science persists, for I am a biotechnologist. The viruses creep without a sound, seeking those to gather around. Sign pursue where danger exists, for I am a virologist. The joints in body making sounds, the muscle cramps all day bound. Life flows gently where balance exists, for I am a physiologist. The broken bones begin to mend, strength and movement slowly blend. Healing rises where skilled hand exists, for I am a orthopedist. The neurons sparkle like electric lights, sending messages day and night. Thoughts awaken where wonders exist, for I am a neuroscientist. When data streams begin to speak, revealing answers scientists seek, digital biology now in action, for I am a bioinformatician. The mountains call and forests sing, while creatures roam in every spring. Nature thrives where life exists, for I am a wildlife biologist. The diseases travel town to town, yet science refuses to back down. Health stands strong where knowledge exists, for I am an epidemiologist. In mountains, peak and ocean states, tracing areas where creatures migrate, animal journeys in every corner, for I am a zoogeographer. Ancient footprints speak once more of human stories from distant shore. Civilization breathe where history exists, for I am an anthropologist. Fingerprints whisper hidden clues. The evidence patiently speaks the truth. Justice awakens where science exists, for I am a forensic biologist. The stethoscope softly starts to sing, transfer hope in human being. Life grows stronger where compassion exists, for I am a medical specialist. The wounded pause and feathers small, find gentle healing through it all. Animal trust where kindness affect, for I am wet. The hidden bones reveal in light through glowing scans at doctor's sight. Inside the body, clear truth exists, for I am a radiologist. The smiling teeth begin to glitter, healthy breath and fresh laughter. Pain disappear where bright care exists, for I am a dentist. The classboard blooms with living lore, cells and species they explore. Young minds awaken where knowledge enter, for I am a biology teacher. Thank you for watching.